What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ricky Rude. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I edit my videos, what platform I use, what software I use, how I do my thumbnails, etc. So I'm gonna push out in like my point of view, first point of view, so y'all could have a better understanding of what I use and everything. And I'm gonna get a lot of previews of it, so y'all I'm gonna show y'all in the video. I'm gonna show y'all. It make sense. All right, I got y'all. All right, so we are now on the computer. Yeah, I did that little sicky transition. I don't know, so I'm gonna teach y'all this. I might even make this a long video. It ain't gonna be too much editing, just a lot of explaining. All right, so where I edit on CapCut. I heard that you can use Adobe Pro. I don't know any other ones. I ain't gonna lie. But here we're gonna go to CapCut. These are all my previous videos that I have edited in the past. All right, now you want to import. Importing the files is like pretty much you getting a file from your camera. I use my USB. I have a lot of files in here. We're going to use some simple clips today. My intro. I just made this, by the way, so if it's trash, don't say too much. My outro. You drag them here. Oh, we're lagging. Hold on, y'all. I need to show y'all that in a little bit. Fuck. Alright, anyway. So now that we have the intro and outro, you can, let's see. Let's start with the audio. You got these are TikToks. Make sure they're not copyrighted though. You can use sound effects. Let's add a go to a part of the video you want to be sound effect in. Let's say like right here where my face come in. We want to add sound effect. If you double click sound effects, you could see all the categories that have it in. We're gonna go with transition. Let's say the ding. Let's use the ding. Pause. Alright, we're gonna use the ding. So look. Make sure my sound is very loud. Alright, cool. I'll have the ding on. If you go to the very right, in here, this is how you can make this wider and longer. So it could be easier to cut clips or zoom in. So how to cut clip? Let's say I want to cut the beginning of this. The loading is very long, so I could go to right here. You want to press this button. This is cut. This is delete, and this is delete. Right. We're gonna cut that. You can go press on it, and you can press on delete. Most of y'all should know how to use CapCut by now, but if you don't, I'm here for you, teaching y'all the ways. Watch this. So those are texts. Here's text. So let's say you want to add a text. Let's go to the clown. You got the text right here. Let's say your Instagram or something. I usually put it like this so you can see both of them. Now you could use the pattern. I'm not saying pattern. Oh, this is just to make it look everything better. The color, you can change the color of it. Let's pop out. What's a dramatic ass color? Let's go yellow. Yellow is a very dramatic color you can use. Alright. We can use yellow. Stroke is pretty much like if you want to make it's pretty much like a highlighter of the color. You can make it really thin thickness. You know, I like mine thick. Pause, so you can see it better. Background is pretty much like all around it. I don't really like background a lot that much, but I mean, if you want to use it, you can use it. You can change the color of the background to like, I don't know, something flashy. But go good with yellow. Let's say pink. Let's just go with pink. You see? It actually does get good. I'm talking about shit. Glow is like making it pretty bright. I ain't gonna lie. Now the glow looks awesome, but you can't really use it with a lot of shit. If you intensify it like this, you can put it like that. Shadow is pretty much like you putting words underneath the bottom. You can't really see it right now because of. Let's take that off so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's take stroke off too. Alright, if you go to glow, see what I'm saying? You see the glow? It's making everything darker and stuff. Now if you go to shadow, you might not see it that well. Hold on, let me make it bigger. You get the point. You get the point. Yeah, you see it. I know you see it. So, you got animations on the right. Depending on how you want it. I don't have pro at the moment because I don't need to. But let's say you want like, I don't know, some flipping, some dramatic sounds to it. You could put like, you know, these are animations. Tracking, I'm not sure what that is. Text to speech, this is if you want the lady to speak. But you really just need these two. I mean, unless you like trying to make anything else. You can really see that much for yourself. Now let's say you want to go back to sound effects. Let's go to transitioning. Put that ding. And look. Make the transition look smooth and everything. Our stickers. These are the ones I use the most because stickers are like animations too, but you know, these are the only ones I need. Blur out. Let's go to here. Let's say I wanted to blur out my Instagram. Can't see much. I usually put a subscribe tab like in the beginning of the video and then after the video. You put a subscribe right there. Now you can have it for the duration. This is like how long do you want it. You can have it throughout the whole video. You know the point. There's other stickers. These are just my favorites. I don't really have much. There's trending ones like this. I never seen these, but hell, you can use this for like money, fail. This is like a funny one. Let me see what this is. You can use that. You know, you could be creative with it. Icons, vlogs. Most of the good ones are in pro. Pro's not that much. I just don't need to use it because I don't feel the need to use it yet. It's not as complicated as it may seem. I know there's more I could show y'all. I have to make sure y'all, you know, doing this in live time as well, so it's not pre-recorded. Effects. I do lose a lot of effects. These are my favorites. Let's say for this one, for instance, if you go to the end of the video, I like to add the end. I like my stuff to be closed in. For instance, let's try this. I like a little something different with my video. But they got tons of effects. They got lens. Like, I don't really use lens. I don't really know what they do. If I do use effects, I use glitch. I like to use the glitch one. Those are really fun to use. I like to use the vlog ones. The vlog ones are kind of like cameras too. See these? I know a lot of you females out there like to use that stuff. Let me. Is this the one I want to use? Let me see. Okay, yeah, cool. We can use that. We can use that. We can use a little camera effect. It has a camera effect around there and everything. Might as well you can put that throughout the whole video actually, until the end. So we go anywhere between the video, you know, just got the camera stuff. See, just make it look kind of better, actually. I actually might add that to my video. You know what? You know what? I just put myself on. I just put myself on. Look at that. Alright, y'all. My favorite part, transitions. Now, you gotta go between the cut. Like, say, for instance... right here. While I get a new video and another video. Now transitions they're the best, actually, to be honest with you. Like, you use this one, let's say you want to flip your arm. What I use the glitch. Alright. I love the glitch, like I said earlier. It's one of my favorite. Hold on, let me look how smooth look at the smoothness. But transition could be anywhere. Like, let's say you split your video right here. You split, you add another transition. I could just make my whole video about transitions, like slide. Transition, I feel like you got it. And hold on, let me push y'all on more game. When you do add a transition, try to add a transition sound because it makes it sound so much better. Let's go with the swoosh. Well, you don't have to put that specific transition on there, of course. So this is pretty much how I edit my video. Now let me show you some other tricks I could use. Let's go to the end of the video. You go to import. Say I just got these, by the way. You want let's see, this one. That is not what I pick, but we could use this too.
As a king, I can do whatever I want.
Let's delete this. If you want to add memes to your videos,
as a king, I can do whatever I want.
Or like, you know what I'm saying? Let me go get my favorite meme. Let me get my favorite meme. Hold on. I got underneath the wrong information. I did not know that. I did not know that. So I gotta pick Lion King. King Lion. Let me search it up. Alrighty.
I'm taking a break. I got bored.
You wanna add stuff like that? I'm gonna show y'all. Search up your armies. It's easy to find. You search up your armies and voila! You got Naked Steve. Now, what is another thing? I also use green screens. Let's say let's go to. You could pick on a green screen. This right here, actually, you can add to any part of the video. Let's say I go right here. You could put that, I don't know, how big as you want it. Now, when dealing with a green screen, you want to go to remove, color chrome. You want to pick the color, obviously green. Pick intensity, it doesn't really matter until you can't see green. You put it right here and watch. You can.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9. It's just a joke. Come on. Don't really.
As a king, I can do whatever I want. I'm taking a break. I got bored.
You see what I'm saying? It's just that simple. These are most of the things I use to edit my videos. I would do more in depth into it. Man, I feel like my computer's tweaking right now, so it's a little laggy. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will make another video where I use to make my thumbnails and everything, just for the fun of it, you know, help. I couldn't find a lot of help when I was making my stuff. I'm still a young creator, you know, they didn't help me. They just trying to get me out of my views. Yeah, some of y'all out there selfish as fuck. Enjoy the video. Have a nice day.